Look at that view. Hello. Mau nanya, boleh inap di sini? Saya punya tenda.
Ada.
Berapa harganya?
Untuk gini, untuk kapasitas 6 orang itu 200.000.
Untuk berapa orang?
6 orang.
Saya sendiri.
Oh, sendiri?
Iya.
Oh, tenda bawah?
Ya, bawa.
Oh, nanti saya tanya sama yang punya sini ya.
Oh iya, boleh.
Ya, nanti saya tanya ya.
Oke.
Ya, boleh ke sana.
A lot of wind. This is a campsite. I think I'm gonna put the tent in here. Then we will not have too much wind. And we have some light in here, and the toilets are over there. Perfect. Halo, apa kabar? Baik, sehat?
Bisa bahasa Indonesia?
Ya.
Sudah masuk 10.000.
Oke.
Perlu kayu bakar apa?
Enggak, saya tidak bakar. Angin terlalu.
Makasih banyak.
Ya. So this is my tent, this is my house for tonight, and there's a lot of wind, but actually you cannot beat the view. As you can see over there, the view is amazing, and I hope that the wind is gonna stop, and that tomorrow morning I will have a beautiful sunrise. Because the sunrise will be just here, so let's see that for tomorrow. It was weird, the wind just stopped and then it started to rain. But for now it's quite comfortable. So the tent is eager for 3 people, so then I have enough place and space for all my stuff, and especially like if it's raining, then I can stay in the tent. And for the comfort, so I have a pillow, I have a mattress, I have my sleeping bag, and it's quite frisky because we are at 700 meters of altitude, so it's a bit cold. So I was afraid that I will be too hot, but I think I'm happy that I took the sleeping bag. So it's raining and it's time to cook. Macaroni! Macaroni with, it will be sauce with olive. If you cook inside a tent, don't forget to have a fan like that to make circulate the air, because otherwise it's gonna get hot. And also with the gas, it's not gonna be good. So you need to make sure that the ventilation is good. Make sure that the pasta don't attach the pan. So the pasta are finally done. Here we are. So now we're gonna take off the water from it. Bon appétit. Well, I had the rain, and it was quiet, and I had the rain, and then suddenly the wind is blowing again. It's so strong. If only it could stop so I could sleep. Well, at least it's gonna dry the tent. Coffee, coffee. Just hope we're gonna have a break with the rain. Ah! Café. So time to take off the camp, and the night was tough. Lot of wind, lot of rain. Now we're gonna dismantle everything before it starts to rain again, because I have the feeling that today is gonna be complicated. Allez hop, time to head back home. Come back to civilization. Don't forget one thing, guys. If you go camping like that, bring back your empty bottle, because I was really shocked to see that there is a lot of garbage in here. So when you go camping like that, please bring back your empty bottle, yeah, and your trash. It's a shame. Too bad that it was not really like clear. But well, at least I know what it is when it's covered, because normally in here we can see the Mount Agung. But it's okay, I will come back another time. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa.